I love the jacket. You're making a statement. You look great. Were you guys surprised that the bail was denied yesterday? I guess you're hoping it'll be done today, correct? But you guys look great. We love the fashion moment. You look fantastic.
I pray for y'all for all the.
What is up? Welcome to the Being Beautifully Honest podcast and channel. Thanks for being here, being subbed. If you're not, hit the button, and if you're listening on YouTube, hit the like. It's like walking in the room and hitting that light switch. Let's brighten up the place and get into this conversation. Listen, the dominoes keep falling. We really don't know who or what is up next. All we can do is just continue to watch what happens, like they say on Bravo. But since Diddy has been arrested, his son's possible arrest is coming to light because, as you know, when Diddy had the lawsuit filed against him last year civilly, a lot of people were like, well, why didn't she file criminal charges? Why is she trying to go after money? A lot of times that's where it starts, where it opens the floodgates for them to have a civil suit filed, because it's easier to do that than it is for criminal charges to be pressed, especially when you deal with things like statute of limitations, evidence, witnesses, all of those different things. Criminal is a whole lot more difficult, especially when it comes to federal charges, than it is for civil. So the woman who filed the civil suit against Diddy's son, she responded to his arrest. So the lawyer of a woman who filed a civil suit against Diddy's youngest son, CHRISTIANCOMBS, anyway, I was about to say something about the name, has spoken out against the rapper's arrest via a statement from her lawyer. Graceomarcaigh, 25, accused King, 26, of sexually assaulting her while she was working on a yacht, in 22 via a lawsuit filed in April. After Diddy was taken into custody this week, Omarcaigh's lawyer, Rodney S. Diggs, described the arrest as the, quote, first step towards justice in a statement provided to Us Weekly on Wednesday. The long-awaited federal arrest of Sean Combs is the first step for our clients receiving justice, Diggs said in the statement. We leave the criminal aspect of this case in the hands of the people and justice system. As for the civil cases, we await our time for the facts to reveal themselves and seek the justice our clients deserve. He added, we also anticipate more victims coming forward. We knew this was coming. The evidence is very clear, and it was only a matter of time. This is an important step towards justice for all of Mr. Combs' victims, including my clients. Justice will prevail. Diddy was arrested in New York on Monday, the 16th, and the following day, a 14-page indictment alleging that Diddy abused, threatened, and coerced women and others around him was made public. The rapper has since entered a not guilty plea for charges of racketeering, conspiracy, sex trafficking by force. Hear that, Lil Boosie? All this women getting flued out by force, fraud or coercion, and transportation to engage in prostitution. Listen, prostitution is illegal in this country except for in the state of Nevada, I believe. So traveling for it is definitely a crime. A New York judge denied Diddy bail on Tuesday, and he will remain in custody pending trial. He lost an appeal to overturn the decision on Wednesday. His lawyer said he's innocent. I believe he's innocent. I believe he's innocent of the charges. He is going to go to trial, and I believe he's going to win. Listen, his attorney is just saying statements and getting paid. I've been in the legal field before. I've worked for attorneys that represented people that they knew were guilty for taking someone's life. All right? They have to do what they have to do. So with all of that being said, I am not going to be shocked if his son is up next for some criminal charges. Because why would the woman who is suing Christian King Combs, the King part just really baffles me. But anyway, she's suing him civilly. Why would Sean Combs' arrest be a step toward justice for her and her attorney making a statement like that if they're not correlating what happened to Diddy initially and what is happening to him now to similar to what is going to happen to Christian Combs? Because she is saying that he actually assaulted her. And so that is a crime. That is a crime. Yeah, if someone actually assaults you and they have money, you could sue them civilly. And even if they don't have money, if you want to try to sue them civilly, you could do it. But that is a crime that really needs to be prosecuted by the criminal justice system. So it sounds like to me that investigations are currently going on. Things in the background are taking place. And Christian might need to count his days because he probably might be up next. And he might be sitting in the cell next to his daddy. But I digress. I wouldn't be surprised if indeed what happened to that young lady did happen. He deserves to be there too. Because the apple don't fall too far from the tree with a lot of these people that grow up in this type of lifestyle. And it is a choice and a decision. You know, you could have family, you could have parents that are drug addicts. It doesn't mean that you have to do it too. You could make a choice to not do it also. But unfortunately, a lot of people, they follow suit with the bad choices that their parents have made. And so him living that life of privilege and seeing what his daddy was doing, he felt like it was okay too. It sounds like, I'm saying, because it all right now is still definitely alleged. He hasn't been found guilty, so I have to say that. But I digress. I can choose to believe the allegations, and I believe this woman. I believe this young lady. So he might be up next. So based on what her attorney had to say, it's sounding that way. You all can let me know what you think in the comments. So thanks for being here, liking and subscribing. I'm Beth, just being beautifully honest. So until next time, I wanted to keep it brief, beautiful, and now I'm going to say bye.